Assalamualaikum, my name is Shamila. So I will start with introduction. So knowledge sharing tools help individuals and organizations communicate, collaborate, and share information efficiently. They support faster decision making, improve teamwork, and increase productivity by making knowledge easy to store, access, and share. For this assignment, we choose HRSC, which is HR System and Consulting Sdn Berhad, for our research. So next we will go through the company background. So HRSC is a Malaysian HR technology company established in 1997. The company provides human resource management solutions, including payroll, attendance, performance management, and cloud-based HR software. The system labeled as eP2P. HRSC also serves over 157 organizations and 23,000 users across the region. So the interview revealed that the company used eP2P as its primary information system also. So eP2P basically is an integrated human resource management system developed by HRSC that support various HR functions, including payroll processing, leave and attendance management, performance management, employee record, and self-service applications. So by centralizing this function into a single platform, eP2P help organizations improve efficiency, reduce manual works, and enhance overall human resource management.
We continue to the literature review. The first one, the concept of knowledge sharing tools. Technology, platform, and technique that make it easier for people and organizations to create, save, transfer, and share knowledge are known as knowledge sharing tools. Regardless on location, these tools facilitate effective communication, teamwork, and information access for staff members. Knowledge sharing tools facilitate quicker decision making, ongoing learning, creativity, and organization efficiency in the digital age. Intranets, extranet, database, data warehouse, collaborative platform, and knowledge management system are a few examples. They make it possible for business to store for later use both explicit knowledge and tacit knowledge. Next, the concept of networking. Networking refers to the process of connecting individual, group, or organization to exchange information, knowledge, experience, and resources. In knowledge management, networking helps build relationships that facilitate communication and collaboration among employees and stakeholders. Through networking, individuals can share ideas, solve problems, learn from the one another, and create professional communities. Modern networking is supported by digital technologies such as the internet, intranet, extranet, social media platforms, and online communities, allowing knowledge exchange across geographical and organizational boundaries. The last one, the concept of groupware. Groupware refers to collaborative software that enables users to communicate, coordinate tasks, and share knowledge within an organization. According to Scalia and Sakmari, 1996, groupware can be categorized into three levels of complexity like email and electronic bulletin boards, computer conferencing system, and group decision-making support system. This tool promotes discussion, problem analysis, and improves the speed and quality of decision-making process.
For methodology, we define two components in gathering data information. The first one is primary data, which we conduct interview with the representative panel from HR System and Consulting Sdn Berhad, which is Ms. Helda Zulaika binti Muhammad Hanif. She's a senior executive project at the company. Where based from the interview that conduct on 14 May 2026, we found out about eP2P system. So this system integrate the human resource management system, which help in supporting various HR functions such as payroll, attendance management, and also employee records, and also their self-service application. So this system centralizes these functions into a single platform to reduce manual work, improve efficiency, and help organization and enhance the overall HR management. For the next is the secondary data, which this data more to we gather information through sources like HRSC mainly webpage, and also some academic journals that we found. So this provide us and help us in technical infrastructure and functions of the eP2P system. For the journal, it helps us to enhancing more about what we found and support the analysis to a better system, to a better understanding on how the system been integrated. So contribute to a lifetime collaboration and knowledge sharing.
In this slide, we will focus on the analysis of the KS tools. The first part is 4.1, the technical infrastructure. First, hardware. Cloud-hosted servers manage the decision flow engine to automate request routing and give access to web and mobile apps. These integrate with physical biometric devices for real-time attendance syncing. Next is the software that features an automated decision engine and RBAC for secure multi-level approvals. It includes LHDN certified middleware for statutory calculation and SSL or TLS encryption for data protection. For networks, it operates on an ASP cloud model with one connectivity for secure remote access. It utilizes APIs to bridge data instantly with banking portals and ERP systems like ASP or Oracle. Next is the data storages and management. It includes cloud storage at AIMS Kuala Lumpur and Exabyte Cyberjaya data centers. It is a centralized DBMS that captures automated update trails and geotagging data. All digital storage for personal HR records strictly adheres to PDA 2010 regulations under the e-data model. Lastly is the cybersecurity infrastructure that uses AIM and SSO for secure authentication for data security. System integrity is maintained through proactive server monitoring, regular patching, and 24/7 priority technical support for operational security. Let's move on to 4.2, the process integration. The figure is 4.1.1.1, which provides an overview of the eP2P employee website where the user experience begins at a secure login page. Once authenticated, employees are directed to the control center, a centralized dashboard that gives a high-level summary of personnel data such as leave and attendant balances. From this homepage, users can easily navigate through the sidebar menu to reach specific functional models like eData, eClaim, and eFinancial. While the eClaim module flowchart in figure 4.1.1.2 guides users through a structured 4-step submission process after selecting a claim type, the system automatically displays the user's real-time eligibility and balances to prevent overclaiming. Once the form is filled and verified through a preview screen, it is submitted to the database where the decision flow engine automatically routes the request through the digital chain of command for management review. Figure 4.1.1.3 showcases the eP2P HR-based websuite, the back-end administrative hub of the system. This websuite is strictly restricted to expert users such as HR personnel and management through role-based access control RBAC. This interface is where the decision flow engine operates, automatically routing employee requests through the digital chain of command for final administrative review and approval. The HR base provides 3 core expert functions: standard reporting, which allow for the generation of complex compensation and benefit reports. Second is the HRMS Navigator, a primary tool for tracking detailed leave balances, and the Add Employee function for digital onboarding. These tools enable HR experts to manage the entire employee lifecycle, from hiring new personnel to oversight of all leave types and attendance records. Lastly, let's look into the integration of eP2P mobile apps. The eP2P Access app, which is a mobile extension of the self-service suite designed for anytime, anywhere access. It features a simplified dashboard with icons for modules like eClaim and eLeave. Also, allow employees to track whether their applications are pending or approved directly from their smartphones. Finally, the eP2P Chico app, which is a location-aware tool for accurate attendance tracking. It utilizes geotagging and biometric face recognition to verify an employee's exact physical coordinates and identity at the moment of clocking in.
For cultural impact of the eP2P system from both individual and company perspective, at the individual level, eP2P system changes how employees manage the HR tasks and share knowledge. It makes employees become more independent, proactive and responsible because many processes can be done through self-service. Also helps in improving the digital skills through structured workflow and the system use. At the company level, eP2P promotes collective knowledge sharing instead of individual storage, standardize the processes, ensure consistency across departments, and reduce their organizational gaps. It also encourages the transparency, especially through performance management, where the feedback and improvement areas can be clearly identified. Overall, this HRSC supports successful implementation through guided onboarding, user support, system integration, and customization to meet organizational needs. Overall, this eP2P helps to create a more digital, transparent, and collaborative workplace culture. Now, evaluation of the implementation eP2P system. First, the efficiency. The eP2P system improves organizational efficiency by integrating the multiple HR functions such as payroll, leave management, claims OT, and attendance into a single platform. This helps in reducing the need for manual processes and make HR operation become more functional and systematic. So employees can easily submit their application, such as OT claims, through the system, while HR can monitor and manage the information through the dashboard. As a result, processes can become more faster and efficient to help the company in enhancing their daily operation. Second, for the accuracy. In terms of accuracy, the eP2P system helps reduce human errors that commonly occur in the manual processes, such as data entry mistakes and document loss. The system automatically will update and store employee information in a centralized database, makes the records become more accurate and reliable. So there is no information gone or something. For example, attendance is captured through the face recognition technology and automatically it will record it in the system. This can reduce the need for manual documentation and will help the company to have more, and no one can take advantage on the manual like paper or something, because everything is on technology. The last one is knowledge sharing tools. So the eP2P system functions as an effective knowledge sharing tool by centralizing all the HR data information into a single platform, which is this eP2P system. It helps the employees in different departments to access relevant information more efficiently, which can improve the communication and coordination within the organization. So the system provides self-service function that allows employees to check their leave balance, submit claims, and access training information without having to rely on the HR department too much. And at the same time, the manager also can monitor reports and analytics to the system dashboard, which allow them to make a better and faster decision. But the access system, even though employee can gain their information through the system, however, the system is controlled according to users' roles and responsibilities, because not employees can open the system, but there is a few things that they can't access because only authorized personnel can view or manage the sensitive information. So this helps in maintain the data security to protect employee privacy and ensure that confidential organizational information is not misused. So this eP2P system enhances the knowledge sharing and organizational coordination while maintaining a high level of security and confidentiality.
Next, we continue to the challenge of the implementation. The first one, user application and change management. One of the most significant challenges in implementing the eP2P system is ensuring that all levels of users from HR administrator to general employees are willing and able to adopt the new platform effectively. Many organizations that transition to eP2P may have previously relied on manual process, spreadsheets, or older HR system. This shift to the fully digital, self-service environment represents a fundamental change in how routine HR tasks are performed. Workers who are less familiar with the technology might struggle to use the eP2P webs as well as the mobile apps such as eP2P Access and eP2P CICO. For instance, routine tasks such as applying for leave through eLeave, submitting claims via eClaim, or clocking in or out using the geo-tagging feature in eP2P CICO all require a degree of digital literacy that may not be consistent across the workforce. The second one, system integration with existing platforms. The eP2P system is put to function as central, capable of exchange data with a wide range of external platforms. These include financial systems such as System Application and Product (SAP), Standard Accounting System for Government Agencies (SAGA), and MS Credit Plans. While this integration capability is one of the eP2P key strengths, it is also one of the most technically complex aspects of any implementation. Each organization typically has its own existing IT ecosystem, and ensuring that eP2P communicates without disruption with this system requires detailed technical planning, data mapping, and thorough testing. For instance, payroll data generated in eP2P must be accurately formatted and transmitted to the organization banking platform for salary payment. Any mismatch in data structure, file format, or transmission protocol can result transition or payroll delays, all of which carry serious operational and reputational consequences. The last one, configurations and customization of HR workflows. The eP2P system is designed as a comprehensive integrated platform covering a broad spectrum of HR functions, including payroll administration, leave management, time and attendance, compensation and benefits, performance management, and training. While this modularity makes eP2P highly flexible and scalable, it also means that each module must be carefully configured to reflect the organization's unique human resource policies and business process before going live. This configuration process involves defining detailed payroll calculation rules, including statutory deduction such as APF, SOCSO, EIS, and income tax in compliance with Lembaga Hasil Dalam Negeri (LHDN) requirements, as well as setting up leave entitlement policies, work schedule, and overtime rule for the different category of users. Also, misconfigured leave entitlement or improper workflows can disrupt HR operations and erode employee trust in the new system. A further complaint arises when the organization's HR policy are not fully documented or standardized prior to implementation, causing the configuration process to stall while internal stakeholders finalize policy decision, which is particularly common in large organizations where different departments operation under different terms and conditions of employment.
Okay, next are the suggestions that we tried to come up with for these challenges. So number one is employee training and system familiarizations. We believe that it helps employees use internet system effectively because it includes proper training for improved employee skills, reduce error, and support smoother onboarding. For example, it's like simulation training. It will allow employees to practice real tasks, build confidence when using the system, and adapt more quickly to new system and workflow, leading to higher productivity and successful system adoptions. Number two is technical support and integration monitoring. We believe that it ensures the system operates smoothly after implementations. It helps resolve system issue, maintain performance, and ensure that connected system work together effectively. So by identifying problem early, organization can reduce downtime, improve system reliability, and support continuous business operations. So we also think that effective monitoring also help employees use the system with greater confidence and improve overall user satisfactions. So we continue for number three, which is workflow testing and process evaluations. We believe that it helps ensure that HR workflows operate effectively and meet organizational requirements. They can identify errors, improve efficiency, and support smooth HR process such as payroll, attendance, leave management, and employee onboarding. So additionally, workflow analysis also can help to identify inefficiency and remove unnecessary steps. It can also ensure that HR workflow remain efficient and aligned with the business objective.
In conclusion, the eP2P system by HRSC is a cloud-based human resource management platform that integrates core functions such as payroll processing, leave and attendance management, performance appraisal, and employee self-service in a single centralized system. It complies with the Malaysian regulatory requirements, including APF, SOSO, EIS, LHDN, and PDPA, making it a reliable and located HCM solution for organizations. Despite challenges such as user-resistant third-party system integration and the need for precise workflow configuration, its successful adoption relies on effective change management, adequate employee training, and continuous technical support to foster a culture of transparency, digital responsibility, and organizational efficiency.